Hi everyone, welcome back again. Let us see some of the problems on integrals, okay, which I'll be discussing right now. So let us see that. Now, if I have an integral of 8x plus 13 divided by square root of 4x plus 7 dx. Now, let us try to solve this problem. Fine. So 8x plus 13 can be written as 8x plus 14 minus 1. This divides by square root of 4x plus 7 integral dx. Okay. So now if you see here in the numerator you have a multiple of 2. So this again I can write as 2x plus 7 divided by square root of 4x plus 7. Fine. And this is dx integral. Now minus of this is dx is square root of 4x plus 7. Now when you cancel out this, okay, so I arrive in the numerator as x 4x plus 7 to the power of half dx. Okay, this is 4x. Okay, so this will be minus integral of 4x plus 7 to the power of half into dx. Fine. Now again you can integrate this. I get, when you integrate this, let me take blue. Okay, so what do I get? I get this is 2 times integration. If I do it, this would be 4x plus 7 to the power of that is uh, 1 plus 1 by 2. That results 3 by 2. Denominator will have 3 by 2. Again you multiply, this is 2 by 3. And 4 differentiation of that. Okay, and to the power of minus half you had, right? So let us try to finish that also. So we'll have that as 4x plus 7 to the power of half. This will be half and divided by 2. So minus. Okay, so it goes to the numerator. So it will be 2. And in the denominator we will have 4. Differentiation of 4x plus 7 will be 4 plus c. Now when you simplify it totally, I get 4x plus 7 to the power of 3 by 2, and this is 1 by 3 minus half. This will be 4x plus 7 to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. So this will be the solution for the integral which we have had. Let us again try to solve the next problem. Okay. We'll see the next problem now. Suppose I have to evaluate integral of sine of log x divided by x. Okay, the dx. Let us integrate this now. Okay. Now let us put log x as some t. So I get 1 by x dx as dt. Fine. Now let us substitute that 1 by x as dt and log x as t. So I get sine t into dt. Differentiation of this would be minus cos t and plus c. So that will be the solution for the integral. Okay. Now let us see next integral problem. So let us integrate that also. Suppose if I have 3 sine x plus 4 cos x divided by 4 sine x minus 3 cos x dx. Now let us consider what is 4 sine x minus 3 cos x as t. If I consider this, so this would be differentiation of this is 4 cos x, and differentiation of this would be 3 sine x dx is equal to dt. Now this will be integral dt by t, in which is equal to log of t plus c, which is t, which is log of 4 sine x minus 3 cos x plus c. Now let me try out next problem. Okay, let us integrate. Okay, so if I take integration of e to the power of m tan inverse x divided by 1 plus uh, x square into dx. Let us try to solve this problem. Let me consider m tan inverse x as some t. So this will be m divided by 1 plus x square dx and dt. Now this will be, if you take to the other side, so I'll be having 1 by m e to the power of t into dt. So which results e to the power of t integration will be e to the power of t itself. So I get 1 by m e to the power of m tan inverse x plus c. Fine. Let me try to solve another problem. Now if I have integral of x sine of 4x square plus 7, okay, then dx. Let us try to integrate this. Let me put 4x square plus 7 as t. So this will be 8x dx is equal to dt. So I want x dx, which is dt by 8. So integral of this being t, so sine t and dt by 8, so it is 1 by 8. Now differentiation of sine is minus cos, so minus cos t plus c, and this is 1 by 8. So this is minus 1 by 8 cos of t, which is 4x square plus 7 plus c. Let me try to solve another problem. Okay. Suppose if I have to solve integration of 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, this is whole dx. Let us try to solve this problem. Now this will be by using cos. So you have integral of cos 2x dx for this. Now differentiation of this will be sine 2x, and differentiation of 2x will be 2 plus c. So that will be the solution. Now let us try to evaluate another problem. Now this will be integration of, suppose if I have integration of cos 2x divided by cos square x into sin square x dx. Now cos 2x can be written as cos square x sin square x. So that's what I'll try to do. Cos square x minus sin square x. Keeping the denominator same as cos square x and sin square x dx. Now when you separate this, I get integration of 1 by sin square x dx. This will be integration of 1 by cos square x dx. So this will be cosecant. Cosecant is minus cot x, and this will be minus tan x plus c. So this will be the solution for the given problem. Okay, let us move further. Let us try to solve another problem which have integral of the function. Okay, so suppose if I have integration of secant 2x minus 1 divided by secant 2x plus 1 into dx. Now this is cos. I can write secant can be written as cos. So I will take it to the other side. So I'll get this as 1 minus cos 2x, fine, divided by 1 plus cos 2x, integration of this and dx. Now 1 minus cos 2x can be written as 2 sin square x, and the denominator I can write as 2 cos square x, integration dx. Now this will be integration of tan square x dx. Now this is secant square x minus 1 into dx. Now this is tan x minus x plus c, integration of this. Fine. Let us take up another problem. Let us see and try to solve as much as we can. Okay, let us try to integrate. Okay, I have integration of cot square 2x minus 1 divided by 2 cot 2x minus cot 8x into cot 2x. Sorry, 4x if I said say it, into dx. Now this whole thing I can write as cot 2a, integration of cot 2a, that is 2x. Okay, keep it like that, cot and cot dx. Now cot 2 and this is 4. Okay, so it is 2x, so this becomes 4. So I can remove cot 4x outside. This is cos. Please correct it. This is cos. This is cos. So if I remove cot 4x outside, I'll be left with only cos 8x, 1 minus cos 8x and dx. Now this will be 2 sine square, okay, 4x, sine square 4x, because 1 minus cos 2a is 2 sine square a. So that's what I get. This is cot 4x, integration of this. Now after cancelling, I get only 2 times, okay, 2 times of sine 4x and cos 4x and dx. Now again this I can write 2 times if I take inside, okay, I can write as sine of 8x dx, which is minus cos 8x by 8 plus c. So that will be the solution for the problem. Let me try to solve another problem now. Okay, since this is done. I hope you are able to understand these problems. Okay, any queries you can send to my email address. Okay, so let us see one more problem. Suppose if I have integration of, let us try to solve another problem. Suppose if I have integration of 1 by 1 by x square minus x plus 1 into dx. Let us try to solve this problem. Now this is let us try to factorize the denominator. So adding and subtracting 1 by 4. If I do that, I get 1 divided by x square, fine, minus x. So I'll add 1 by 4 and subtract 1 by 4, and this is plus 1, and this is dx. Now this I can write it together, okay, if I consider it, and this part I can write it together and this one together. So if I write it, so this becomes x minus 1 by 2 whole square, and this will be 3 by 4 dx. Okay, this again I can write as root 3 by 2 whole square, root 3 by 2 whole square. So this is in the form of x square plus a square. Okay, now this will be 1 by a, which is root 3 by 2. Okay, tan inverse of x, which is this one, and by a is root 3 by 2 plus c. Further, if I want to simplify, this is root 2 by, 2 by root 3 tan inverse. Okay, so this will be 2x minus 1 divided by root 3 plus c. So this is the integral of this. Okay, further we'll continue in the next session. Thank you for listening, and please tune in.